Stepping into the world of miniature 3D printing feels a bit like holding a sci-fi replicator in your hands. Whether you are an avid tabletop gamer looking to populate a grid map with custom heroes, a dedicated painter craving crisp canvas details, or a collector building an army, the right resin printer changes everything. Here, we have 4 best 3D printers for miniatures.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Anycubic Photon Mono. For 3D printer, the journey into resin printing can often feel intimidating. But the Anycubic Photon Mono strips away the complexity while delivering impressive clarity. This machine serves as an excellent gateway for hobbyists who want high-quality prints without a steep learning curve. It utilizes a high-resolution monochrome screen that cures layers rapidly, meaning your custom figures rise out of the resin vat in a fraction of the time older printers required. The matrix light source ensures that exposure is uniform across the entire build plate, preventing the dreaded warped edges on tiny bases or delicate limbs. Furthermore, its user-friendly interface and forgiving nature make it a highly reliable workhorse for printing batches of infantry or detailed scenery bits day after day. On number 2, we have Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS3D printer. For the absolute purists who demand every single rivet on a suit of armor to be visible under a magnifying glass, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS stands as a monument to precision. Boasting an ultra-high 8K resolution, this printer shrinks the individual pixels down to a microscopic scale, virtually eliminating the visible layer lines that can plague lesser machines. The result is a surface finish so smooth it mimics injection-molded plastic right out of the vat. It features a rock-solid linear rail system that keeps the Z-axis perfectly stable during the printing process, ensuring that even the tallest, thinnest banners or spears print without a hint of wobble. If your primary goal is to paint competition-level miniatures where every micro detail catches the wash perfectly, this machine is crafted specifically for your needs. On number 3, we have Elegoo Mars 5 3D printer, bringing a brilliant balance of modern automation and raw performance to the table. The Elegoo Mars 5 represents the next evolution of hassle-free printing. This machine packs a punch with smart sensors and self-regulating features that take the guesswork out of bed leveling and resin management. It automatically detects potential failures before they ruin a print, saving you precious time and expensive material. The print quality is incredibly sharp, rendering organic textures like fur, capes, and leather armor with stunning realism. It bridges the gap between raw technological power and effortless user experience, making it the ideal choice for creators who want to spend less time calibrating machinery and more time assembling their miniature empires. The Elegoo Mars 5 Resin 3D printer is designed to make printing easier and more reliable. Its intelligent mechanical sensor can detect resin residue to help protect the LCD screen, while alerts for low resin levels and leveling issues reduce material waste and keep your projects running smoothly. So, these are some of the best 3D printers to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.